Oh, hell shit. Here we go again.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Eat someone's ass. What the fuck is this? It's all clickbait, but you know it isn't.
People that we lost, like the way when we're in the dark, wondering what might have been. We'll never ever change a thing, trying to mend this broken heart. It's okay not to be strong, my sorrows have a million layers, and I've been told I wear them well. I'm happy for the time we shared, nothing could ever compare.
What in cousin fucking tarnation, Alabama Betty Crocker, Miss fucking Betty White shit is this?
Why I left Hotel Hideaway, the truth.
Hi. If you don't know me, I'm...
Please help us.
You must be wondering what happened to my account. I deleted it. If you're wondering why I left, why I quit, everything, it's because I was done. I was done and I was tired. I just couldn't take it anymore. It all started when I started getting death threats and harassed. Hotel Hideaway has honestly been a big part of my life, as you all know. But sometimes, not everything can last forever.
Oh my god! Oh!
And I was sick and tired of forcing myself to make more videos for all of you. And I was tired of being noticed 24/7.
Dang, it looks like she has a tough. Shout out to Rylan HH.